In the realm of YouTube Shorts, creating motivational content may not be the guaranteed path to success. The reality is, if monetization is achieved, it's often short-lived, with demonetization messages arriving within days or weeks, as experienced with my own channel. Garnering 10 million views in 90 days led me to hit a dead end when applying for the YouTube Partner Program, primarily due to re-uploading content that didn't align with YouTube Shorts monetization policies. While YouTube gurus may share their success stories, what they often omit is the significant effort invested in creating a 30-second video. Hours of editing using high-end software like Adobe Premiere Pro or After Effects are the behind-the-scenes reality. However, there's a new and easier way to create motivational shorts that garner millions of views and can be monetized. This innovative approach, initiated only 2 to 3 months ago, has already seen channels gaining substantial traction. Rather than following the conventional path of posting regular motivational shorts, these channels leverage AI to transform motivational speeches into engaging short stories. This unique approach catapults their YouTube Shorts to a broader audience, resulting in consistently high view counts. In this video, I'll guide you through the complete process of creating these types of videos using tools like ChatGPT and CapCut. To simplify the script generation, I've prepared a prompt for you in the Google Doc linked below. Using ChatGPT, you'll input a transcript from a motivational video and receive 5 similar script ideas. Transforming these scripts into engaging voiceovers is made easy with the text-to-speech website ElevenLabs. Selecting a deep voice, such as Adam or Marcus, adds the perfect motivational touch. Compelling visuals play a crucial role in making videos go viral. Utilizing Pexels, search for footage that exudes success, whether it's supercars, luxury homes, or dream vacations. With your stock footage and voiceover ready, it's time to weave them into a captivating video using CapCut, my preferred editing software. Adjusting the aspect ratio to 9:16 for YouTube Shorts and incorporating quick transitions between footage, limited to 3 to 5 seconds each, caters to short attention spans. Fine-tune brightness, saturation, and apply effects to enhance the overall visual appeal. Adding captions through CapCut's auto caption feature ensures engagement. For background music, the key is using trending music directly from YouTube. While exporting your video from CapCut, explore the recommended sounds for trending background music. This strategy aligns with YouTube Shorts' preference for videos featuring popular music. In conclusion, this tutorial provides a step-by-step guide on creating AI-powered YouTube Shorts that stand out, leveraging innovative approaches to storytelling. By following these steps, your shorts will be optimized for virality, just like those channels that have mastered the art. Are you ready to make your mark on YouTube Shorts? Let's go!